Smash! For fuck's sake, mechanism, what am I on about, mate? Okay, so we're having a quick look around Sam's project. It's a Polo GTI. Apparently it's fully forged, it's running a 300 brake. It looks pretty sick. Obviously he's gone for the stance look. I mean, what size tyre are them, man? He told us if we don't get the right size tyre, he's going to be getting 12 points, so yeah. Jesus Christ. How do you drive that, Sam? What the Defo needs a magna plate. Magnaplates.com. It's got a little tiny Momo steering wheel. Someone of my stature, you know, 5 foot nothing. It's cool, it's clean. It's running V2, airlift. But there's only one thing letting it down, obviously, and it is this horrible. Oh, mate, how can you put that on your car? Oh. Sound, we're back. Right, we're going to start this wiper delete. We're going to start off with a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to pop the tailgate and we're going to remove the trim from inside the hatch. There's 2 Phillips screws inside the handles. I'm just going to remove these out and then we're going to remove the trim, which is held on by clips. As I said, it's all held on by clips. Once we remove the 2 screws, we can just pop the plastic trim off. Came off easy. Okay, so previously there was a wiper motor here, but it was done a bodge job. We stuck a rubber bung on it, so we're going to fit the correct thing, which is the kilowipers.com kit. So there would have been a wiper motor here. It was held in by 3 10mm nuts. You just need to remove those. There's also a rubber bung that you need to remove. You can pull that out and also disconnect your water supply and your power cable. And then you would proceed to the next step, which is fit your kilo wipers kit. Before we do that, we're going to clean the glass. We're going to prep it because we're going to bond the kit from the inside. We want to ensure that the kit fits 100% correctly. We don't want any water coming in, so we need to prep the glass. Okay, as with all of our kits, we make them in-house. All of our kits are made to manufacturer's specifications. So if you've got genuine glass, they will fit perfect. If you're really picky, just double check that you've got genuine glass just so you know the kit will fit 100%. We're going to test fit the kit first because the next step can get a bit messy and I just want to make sure you guys know how to fit the kit. So we're going to remove it from the packaging. We're going to proceed to test fitting the kit. So the kit fits from the inside, Grim Reaper logo on the inside. You can see there, it's going to fit absolutely perfect. Okay, so we've test fitted the kit. We're now going to apply the kit to a piece of tape. So once we apply the sealant, the kit will stick to the back of the window, and this just ensures that gravity doesn't pull the kit out and it doesn't set in an awkward place. Okay, we're now going to fit the kit from the inside. Follow me. So as you can see, we've put quite a lot of sealant on because we want to ensure the kit bonds and it's 100% waterproof. It's popped out onto the outside of the glass. You just want to wipe that away because we don't want the sealant to stick to the outside of the glass. We want to make sure it's fully clear. That stretch, mate, that stretch officer. Too much stretch, he's not interested. As you can see, Moses is on coilovers. Okay, you need to leave your kit to set for at least 1 hour, at least. If you can leave it overnight, that's even better. You can then come back, remove the protective film and also the tape at the same time. Once you've done that, we're going to put the plastic trim back on the inside of the hatch. As a side note, as always, we want to protect the plug on the inside, which is the electrical plug. Also, the hose has been blocked up by Sam previously. He's also bent it back over on itself just to ensure no water gets into your boot. But right now, we're going to cover the electrical plug and ensure it's waterproof. Hello. We're just going to tie this out of the way so it doesn't jingle about in your boot. Last thing you want. Okay, we're going to reveal the finished product now. We're just going to remove the protective film and then you're done. We're just going to clean the glass down once we're finished. Okay, last bit guys, we're going to put the trim back on the inside of the hatch. As it's a Volkswagen, the little metal clips, 2 of them have actually got stuck inside the hatch. We're going to take our trim puller, just pop those out. I'm going to stick them back into the plastic trim and then we're going to clip it in. Okay guys, that's the kit fitted. Don't cheap out. Don't get a rubber bung because it looks like shit. Go to kilowipers.com, go buy your kit. The link for this kit is in the description below. I want to say thank you to Sam again. His Instagram handle's on the screen now. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, it's @kill_all_wipers. Shout out to Kieran at Busted Knuckle. Peace out guys, nice one.